Hello students, welcome to online classes from KB Rai Academy. I am Arun Pandey. I am going to describe class 10 subject biology chapter 1, and the name of the chapter is life processes. But inside life processes, today I am going to describe about how do organisms obtain their nutrition. So topic today covered will be how do organisms obtain their nutrition and nutrition in amoeba. So first of all, I am going to describe about how do organisms obtain their nutrition. So inside this topic, heterotrophs eat different food. You know heterotroph? Heterotroph obtains different foods. Heterotroph, that means organism which acquire food by the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophs, just like human beings are heterotrophs, and heterotrophs obtain their nutrition, obtain their food in different. So heterotroph eat a different food and obtain their nutrition in different way. Heterotroph obtains and eat different food and obtain their food from different sources on the basis of the type of food. On the basis of type of food, because heterotroph eat different food. So on the basis of type of food, they have different digestive systems. On the basis of they eat different food, different mode of nutrition, the heterotroph use different digestive system to digest the food. The unicellular organism have a single cell. Unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism are those organisms whose body, unicellular organism are those organisms whose body is made up of only one cell. Unicellular organism. So unicellular organism have a single cell as the food is taken in by the entire surface. On the other hand, in multicellular organism have a complex body. Multicellular organism have a complex body design. This is the reason that they have different specialized part to digest the food. This is the reason that complex body design have a heterotroph. So heterotroph use different mode of nutrition to digest their food. As the complexity of organism increases, its body parts become specialized to perform different function. That means body parts of heterotroph is specialized. Body parts of heterotroph are specialized to perform different and specific function. The holozoic nutrition involves 5 major steps. Holozoic nutrition involves 5 major steps. What are they? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. So these are the steps of holozoic nutrition. So what will be in ingestion? The act of swallowing or ingesting food material. The act of swallowing or ingesting food material is called ingestion. Digestion, the process by which complex food material or converted into simpler ones are called digestion. So we are going to define digestion in another way. What will be? The process by which ingested food material is made into soluble and assimilable by the action of enzyme in the body of the organism is called digestion. Once again, try to understand the definition of digestion. The process by which ingested food material is made soluble and assimilable by the action of enzyme in the body is called digestion. Then after absorption, the process of conversion of digested food. The process of conversion of digested food into substances that can be absorbed and assimilated by the organism is called absorption. Assimilation, the process in which the component of food are taken to each and every cell. The process of conversion of digested food into substances that can be absorbed and assimilated. So this is absorption. And what will be assimilation? The process in which component of food are taken to each and every cell of the body after the food has been digested and assimilated is called assimilation. And then digestion, the process in which undigested food is thrown out of the body of the organism is called egestion. That means inside the process of egestion, waste food material are removed from the body. So today I have explained how do organisms obtain their nutrition. But class 10 student, you got the video of nutrition in amoeba in my next video. So I think that this much enough. Thanks.